So here's the height of a mountain, number 68 and homework 4.3b. So in traveling across a flat land, you see a mountain directly in front of you. Its angle of elevation to the peak is 3.5 degrees. After you drive 13 miles closer to the mountain, the angle of elevation is 9 degrees. So we want to approximate the height of the mountain, so I'm going to call that h. So we need to figure out a couple of things. So we need to know what x is here. So one ratio that we can write is we can use tangent of 3.5 degrees equals the height over, now this whole distance here is going to be 13 plus x. Then let's take a look at the other one with the 9 degrees. So tangent of 9 degrees equals that height, and now that's just over x. So what we want to do is isolate our h, so multiply by x to both sides. In this one, we're going to multiply 13 plus x here. So now on this left side, we have 13 plus x times tangent of 3.5 degrees equals h. And then on the right side, we have x tangent of 9 degrees equals h. So the important thing to note on that is that h is the same. So therefore, now we can set these equations equal to each other. 13 plus x times tangent of 3.5 degrees equals x tangent of 9 degrees. So now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and distribute this 13 and the x. So I'm going to get 13 tangent of 3.5 degrees plus x tangent of 3.5 degrees equals x tangent of 9 degrees. So when I get all my x's together on one side, so I'm going to subtract x tangent of 3.5 degrees from both sides. And then so I have 13 tangent of 3.5 degrees equals x tangent of 9 degrees minus x tangent of 3.5 degrees. So I can factor out an x on the right side. And so now this is going to become x tangent of 9 degrees minus tangent of 3.5 degrees. And this side is 13 tangent of 3.5 degrees. So to isolate the x, we divide by this value here. Tangent of 9 degrees minus tangent of 3.5 degrees. So now we get x equals all of this, and so we can evaluate that in the calculator, and that'll get us x. So you type it in the calculator, and then when you type that all in, you will get 8.178, or x is approximately, let's say, 8.2 miles. So that is our x value that we wanted at the top here. So now we can go back and use that x value in this equation here in order to solve for that height of h. Either one works, but I like that one. It's a little less work. So I have tangent, tangent of 9 degrees equals h over 8.2 miles. So multiply by 8.2 to both sides to solve. And then when you plug that in the calculator, you will get that the height of the mountain is approximately 1.3 miles.